Hey everybody, welcome back to Hughes Garage. Today I got a sponsored video from Shinehome to try out their sunscreen sunshade cover for the Ford F150 windshield. Let's try it out. Alright, you take it out the bag. It does fold up. Let's get this thing installed. Okay, once you have it undone, there's a little Velcro strap that's going to go around your little rear view mirror. This is what it looks like fully installed. Very quick and easy. This is for 2015 to 2020 F150 XL all the way to the Raptor model. And this thing works very, very, very good, especially on like hot days. It's going to make a hell of a difference, guys. Great difference. All right, to fold this thing up, we'll take it down, fold it in half, hold one edge, the other edge, twist it like so. Just like that. You'll take it and put it in your supply bag. There you go. Simple as that. Very quick and easy, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Hughes Garage.